More importantly, it's about self-fulfillment. Like, you know, at the end of the day, when I'm 80 years old, 90 years old, whatever it might be, on my deathbed, I don't really care if I sold $100 million on Amazon. What's up guys, it's Tom here and we're in Beverly Hills, staying in LA for a week actually. Funny story about our Airbnb. So I flew from Texas after Brand Builder to LA and we wanted to stay in Venice. But we went to our Airbnb in Venice, the Airbnb host wasn't picking up, and once we finally got into the house, there was no blankets, there's no towels, and it was just kind of a, I don't know, the house didn't really look that good. So we decided to book another Airbnb in Beverly Hills, which was much better. And right now we're actually having a little bit of trouble getting our money back through Airbnb because it's not like Amazon, right? Amazon, you can just basically file any complaints and you get a refund. But when it comes to Airbnb, they need like proofs and this and that. So anyway, wanted to just make a video for you guys because I'm gonna be in LA for the week. And the purpose of my trip in LA is to actually have a few meetings with people that are doing really good things, like they own massive e-commerce businesses. So we're just having meetings where I can kind of trade my skills as an Amazon seller, help them to sell on Amazon, and they can help me with my Shopify store and influence marketing, all that stuff, which is the area that I'm really diving deep into right now, just because I do feel like if you can build an audience outside of Amazon, if you can build a list, if you can build ManyChat, if you know how to use Facebook ads, if you know how to use Google ads, influence marketing, Amazon will become really, really easy because you can leverage that audience and get ranking, get reviews. And Amazon loves external traffic if you have not noticed yet. So yeah, no, it's pretty cool guys. I mean, the fact that I don't have to report to, you know, a boss anymore, I don't have to call in sick, I don't have to do this, I don't have to call that. It was pretty much booking a one-way ticket and then coming down to LA, stuff like that. Also, in terms of the feedback that I got from Brand Builder, I highly recommend for you guys to check out the Instagram post that I just made. So link it down below, it's at tom.com.ig. Basically, the purpose of that was for me to kind of express my feelings of how I felt after Brand Builder Summit. It was mixed emotions for sure. You know, I've definitely learned a lot of tactics and hacks and stuff like that to build my business and stuff like that. But more importantly, it's about self-fulfillment. Like, you know, at the end of the day, when I'm 80 years old, 90 years old, whatever it might be, on my deathbed, I don't really care if I sold $100 million on Amazon. It's no deeper than that. No, when we do Amazon, it's not just so that we do Amazon. There's another level down below. There's a meaning down below that, you know, it's different for you, it's different for me. For me, you know, it's, yes, I don't know. Something that I learned is just like, you can't chase numbers, you can't chase goals. And one of the things that someone said at Brand Builder somewhere was chase accomplishments. So the reason why I felt really antsy lately is because I've been traveling lots and I haven't been able to actually take the opportunity to sit my ass down in front of a computer and do work. And today, my friend Jacob and I, who's holding the camera behind you guys, we were parked up at the library, as you guys saw, at Beverly Hills Library, and we knocked out like 4 to 5 hours worth of work. Felt good, felt much better. I accomplished some stuff today. I set up Facebook ads, I set up a lot of funnels and things like that, and I'm super excited to share that with you guys. And that's going to be like a brand new part of the journey of, you know, e-commerce. Amazon is changing, you have to know how to do that stuff, so I'm excited to share some of the stuff like that with you guys. And also, I'm just going to document my journey a little bit more. Trust me, it's a little bit tough to pick up a camera and not to know what to say sometimes. So I think what I'm going to do more and more of, just like document my journey. If you guys like that stuff, let me know in the comment section below. Like, what type of videos do you want to see? Do you want to see some like the behind the scenes stuff like this, where it's kind of like my daily life and kind of behind the scenes? Or do you want to see more like tactical stuff in front of a computer? I guess we can have both, right? But if you guys are interested in kind of like the behind the scenes stuff, just let me know down in the section below. And yeah, I'd love to hear from you. Oh, by the way, if any of you guys are a doctor, my ear has been plugged up for the past 2 days. I haven't been able to clear this up. Like, I'm literally deaf on one ear, which is like really annoying. I can hear my own voice almost. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. And we're gonna go grab a bite, gonna hit up some Korean barbecue, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hey, what's up guys? All right, so we just finished a massive meal. We had Korean barbecue, super full. and heading to drugstore, the mall to pick up some necessities. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And probably gonna be spending the rest of the night doing some work and stuff like that. So if I don't make another video, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe.